Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Jennifer and this is
Ashlynn.
And today we're here because we're going to be opening up Ashlynn's Stitch Fix box. This box is just going to update her wardrobe for the cooler temperatures. And so, real quick, for those of you who don't know, Stitch Fix is an online personal styling service. You pay $20 whenever you want to have a box styled for you. You're going to fill out your style profile to give your measurements and likes and dislikes about fashion, and a stylist is paired with you. He or she will choose 5 items for adults and
10 for kids.
10 items for kids. Those items are going to get shipped to you for free, and you'll decide what you like and what you don't like. If you keep at least 1 item from your box, then a $20 styling fee gets applied to whatever you're keeping. And if you keep all of the items in your box, then you're going to get a 25% discount on the total cost of the box, and you get to apply your $20 styling fee. All right, we're going to get into the box to see what she got for this month. Right on top is your prepaid mailer envelope. This envelope is used to send back anything that you don't want, or if you need to make any exchanges. Shipping is free both ways, which makes it really nice and convenient. You're also going to have a white envelope, and inside that white envelope is your price invoice sheet. And this is fix number 18 for you. And also inside the envelope is their card to say hi there. And it has a note from her stylist, and it has all of the items that are going to be inside of her box. So I'm going to read the note real quick. Hi Ashlynn, happy Fall Fix Day. I am so glad to see you back with me and to know our last fix had lots of fun styles you were excited to add to your closet. Your mom gave me lots of fun ideas to add into your fall wardrobe. I know you love neutral colors, so I kept that top of mind and added in as many of your favorites as I could. Since you love jumpsuits, but the weather is changing, I included this brushed jumpsuit to try in the fall orange color and snag the dark green cardigan to layer over top. Try everything and tell your mom what you think. Have fun, Carly. All right, so Carly's been a new stylist for you. I think you've had her like 2 or 3 fixes, right?
Yeah.
Right. So this is a big box. She has 2 bundles, so we're going to start with, which one do you want to start with?
Right, because I'm on the right side.
Okay. And so here's her first bundle, very thick. Feels very soft.
I see some jeans right there.
Yep. All right, guys, right on top is by RUMI and RYDER, the legging friendly Henley Peplum top. And it says in white, but it looks like an off-white. And so it has the Henley buttons going down the front. It has some ribbing texture throughout. It's a Peplum style. What do you think about that Peplum style?
I like it.
You like it? Cute little top. You wear leggings a lot too, don't you?
Yes.
All right, next.
Ooh, this looks like kind of like a sweater material.
Yeah, it's kind of like a tannish, kind of beigeish color.
Yeah.
It is by Chill Collective, the Jocelyn Notch Detail Waffle top in tan, it says. And so it has this cute little detail at the neckline. It is a waffle texture. Do you like that waffle texture?
Yes.
It has like a cuff. And the bottom looks like that. Oh, it has some slips on the sides. Do you see that?
Oh, right here, I see it.
Yep. Cute and very soft. Ooh.
This looks pretty. It looks tie-dyed.
It's by Poof, the Randy Thermal Hooding and Legging Set in navy. So it's an actual set. Oh, and it's attached together. I see that now.
Okay.
So it has like solid navy leggings.
Oh, they're so soft.
And then it has a little tie-dye hoodie here. Has like a little twist on the front. It also has like a kind of a waffle texture. So what do you think about this?
I love it. It's very, very soft.
And you like leggings, don't you?
Yeah.
All right, next is a jumpsuit by Chenault Girl, the Brennie Brush Smocked Waist Jumpsuit in orange. And it's like a burnt orange with polka dots.
I like the polka dots.
You do?
Yeah.
So it's a short sleeve jumpsuit. Does have some elastic at the waist. Kind of a wide leg bottom there.
Yeah.
What do you think about that?
I like it.
I think that would look really cute with your cream cardigan.
Yeah, I really like the little detail right here.
The little waist.
Yeah.
The little stretchy waist. That's actually cute.
Yeah. Look at these.
All right. By Tractr, the Verna Pullover Ponte legging in black. I wasn't sure what you would think about these since they're a plaid pant, but you like them?
Yeah.
So they're black, but they have like, kind of like a shiny gray.
It's like a silvery color, but like a darker silver.
Very stretchy. They do have pockets on the back. And it's just a pull-up style. That's really cute. The pockets on the front are fake. You like those?
Yeah.
Next. All right, next we have a pair of jeans. This is by Wallflower, the high-rise pork chop pocket flare jean in indigo. So it's kind of like a, what I would call a medium wash. They have the pork chop pocket. Do you like that style?
Kind of.
Kind of. They've got some whispering right here. It's a flare jean. I don't see any distressing, just a basic jean. We'll have to see what you think of those when you try them on. You'll either love them or you'll hate them.
Yep. It's just how I am with jeans.
And the second bundle, you like that green?
Yeah.
Yep.
It's like my favorite color of green.
Okay, go ahead and open it up. Ooh, right on top it's really soft. So this is by Walking on Sunshine, the Carly quarter zip brush pullover in camel.
Oh, I said caramel.
Camel. So it's kind of like a brownish color. It's very, very soft. It has that 3/4 zip. Ooh, that is super soft and cozy.
Yeah.
All right, Ashlynn, how do you feel about that higher neckline?
I kind of like it.
Kind of like
but
it?
I think I've had like a jacket like it. Like it was a pullover and it kind of had that like high neck.
And then it has slips on the side, so it's really soft. You like the color?
Yeah.
All right,
I think this
next
is a set too.
is, yep, it's another set. It's by Threads for Thought, the girls Mavery pullover plus Glen plaid legging set in black. And so, let's see. So here are the pants.
I like them.
You like those? They're very soft and stretchy.
Yeah.
Threads for Thought is a popular brand.
They kind of look like a glitchy like TV. That's what I'm like. That's what I'm imagining.
They've got the little Threads for Thought emblem. Okay. And then the top that goes with it. Ooh, that's soft. Feel the inside of that. It's really soft.
It's like a jacket that I have.
It's like a little sweatshirt. Little black sweatshirt. No pockets. But very soft, very stretchy.
There's
and
a little slit on the side.
Oh, it does have a little slit on the side, so that's cute. What do you think about that?
I like it.
Next is by Love Ellie, the Ingrid Longline open cardigan in dark green. That's a brand that I get in my box.
Oh, I just thought it was a sweater. I didn't realize it was cardigan until you like showed the camera.
Yep, it's a cardigan. Very pretty color. It's got some like details going down the middle of the back. Very soft. Has pockets. It's cute. What do you think about that?
I like it.
You like
It
that one?
reminds me of the white cardigan that we were talking about earlier.
And then lastly, a second pair of jeans by Wallflower, the Paperbag Distressed Relaxed Jean in blue.
Ooh, the buttons.
So it has like the button fly. It's got the Paperbag style top, kind
Yeah.
of stretchy elastic band.
I like this. Like, I think it would be like very stretchy.
It says the Flora Mini Mom Fit. So like a mom jean. We kind of asked for her stylist to send her some jeans that weren't necessarily skinny jeans, but these are kind of skinny at the bottom. They do have some distressing on them right there. A little bit at the top right here. What do you think about those, Ashlynn?
I like it.
We'll see what she thinks when she tries them on. All right, we're going to do a try on and we'll be right back. All right, the first outfit is by Chenault Girl, the Brennie Brush Smocked Waist Jumpsuit. And Ashlynn, what do you think about that?
I love it because of the pockets. We didn't realize there was pockets in it.
Yeah.
And also, I love how like the, what is this called?
It's called smocking.
Smocking detail is right here instead of not being right here, like waistline.
And she has a really pretty cream cardigan that we think would look really cute over top of that.
Yeah.
boots and a cardigan would make that a really cute outfit for church, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Cute. All right, we're gonna try on the next outfit. Be right back. All right, this next outfit is a set, and this is by Poof, the Randy Thermal hoodie and leggings set, and it's in navy. And so, Ashlynn, what do you think about that?
For some reason, I thought I wouldn't like the navy pants, but the more I look at it, the more I like it. And also, I like this hoodie. The outfit goes really good together.
I like the little crisscross front. Can you step up and show that? So it's got this cute little crisscross front. I like the tie-dye. It's got the waffle texture. You want to show the waffle texture?
Yeah. Also like that the pink is very like subtle. Not just like.
So I think that's a keeper. What do you think?
Yes.
All right, on to the next outfit. All right, we're back with the third outfit, and this one is by Threads for Thought, the girls Mavery pullover plus Glen plaid legging set. And Ashlynn, what do you think about this outfit?
I love this outfit because number one thing, we found thumb holes, and I love thumb holes.
The top is like a thin sweatshirt that's really soft. It's got like that kind of soft fleece material on the inside. The leggings are a pretty thick material. It has cute little slips on the sides. We like this outfit, don't we?
Yeah.
All right, 2 thumbs up?
Yep.
Be right back. All right, the next outfit on top, she has the RUMI and RYDER, the legging friendly Henley Peplum. And then on the bottom, she has by Tractr, the Verna pull-on Ponte legging. And Ashlynn, what do you think?
I like this together. I like the like little, kind of looks like a skirt, but
The Peplum style top.
yeah. And
it
like
comes
how,
longer in the back. Yeah, that's cute. All right, do you like the little buttons going down the front?
Yes.
So you like the Peplum style and you like the buttons. It's very soft.
Yeah.
What about the pants?
So the pants were a little bit hard getting on, but it was mostly at like the top, like right here.
We might see if we can size up in these. They do fit. I just think they're just a very compressive kind of legging. So, but we can check into exchanging those for a larger size. But overall, you like this outfit?
Yes.
All right, we'll be right back. So we're back, and Ashlynn has put on this cardigan with the outfit that she just had on. And this is by Love Ellie, the Ingrid Longline Open Cardigan in dark green. And what do you think about the cardigan?
I love this cardigan. It's also green, my favorite color. And also, I love like the sweater texture.
Yeah, the little details in the sweater.
Yeah. Also, like I love the pockets right here. They're just like kind of like openish.
It's a very cute cardigan.
Yeah.
Very soft too, isn't it? All right, we're gonna try on the next outfit and be right back. All right, next outfit on top, she has by Chill Collective the Jocelyn notch detail waffle top. And on bottom, she has by Wallflower the high-rise pork chop pocket flare jean. What do you think about this outfit, Ashlynn?
I love the shirt and the jeans.
Yeah, it's really cute.
I thought I wasn't gonna like the jeans, to be honest.
I think they fit you perfectly.
Yeah. This is like a not very thick, like it's not
medium.
Real, yeah, medium. Like sweater. I like the
Waffle texture.
Waffle texture.
Yeah, those are just a really nice pair of jeans. What do you think?
I like them.
I like the little cutout detail at the top too.
That was another thing.
Cute outfit. All right, we're gonna change and we'll be right back. All right, we are back with the last 2 items, and on the top she has the Walking on Sunshine Carly quarter zip brush pullover, and then on bottom she has by Wallflower the Paperbag distressed relaxed jean. And so Ashlynn, what do you think about these?
So I like the top. I like this little thing. Here's what it looks like zipped up all the way.
Yep, if it was really cold you could zip it up.
Yeah. Okay, and then I like the little slits. It's not very noticeable, but it's there.
That brush knit that's really super soft, so this might peel a little bit, so you might want to wash it inside out if you were to get that.
Yeah. And also, I like the pants. I like the distressing right here, but it's not like actual like throws it out of your toes and stuff.
I'll show them the button detail. button detail, and the buttons are fake, so it's just a pull-on style jean. Cute. All right.
I like this outfit. I'm gonna wear it this week.
You're gonna wear it this week?
Yes.
All right. We'll be back to do a recap. All right, guys, we're back to do a recap and to talk about some prices. And overall, this was a really good fix for Ashlynn. First off on the list is by Love Ellie, the Ingrid Longline Open Cardigan in dark green, and the cost of this is $34. This is Ashlynn's favorite color, so she definitely wanted to keep that. Next on the list is by Poof, the Randy Thermal Hoodie plus legging set in navy, and it is $28, and that's this set. And Ashlynn loved the hoodie. She loves comfy, cozy clothes. She's into leggings and hoodies like this, and so that's a good one for her. Next is by Chenault Girl, the Brennie Brush Smocked Waist Jumpsuit in orange, and this is $28. I was surprised that she liked this one because I wasn't sure how she would feel about the polka dots, but she liked it, and she has a beige cardigan that would look really nice with this, and so that's a good one. Next on the list is by Walking on Sunshine, the Carly quarter zip brushed pullover in camel, and it is $26. This pullover is really super soft, but it is going to be that material that's super soft and may peel, so I'll probably have to wash it inside out, but she really liked how soft and comfy and cozy this was, and so that was a good one. Next on the list is the most expensive item in the box, and it was the outfit from Threads for Thought, the girls Mavery pullover and Glen plaid leggings set, and it is $54, but that brand can be a little bit more pricey, and so that was this outfit here with the leggings. These leggings are really thick, and so you can tell that they're well made. The sweatshirt is really lightweight, but it has like fleece on the inside. The material is really soft on the outside and on the inside, and so that's a really cute outfit. Then we have the first pair of jeans by Wallflower, the high-rise pork chop pocket flare jean, and the price of the jeans is $24, and I don't think that's bad at all, but that was this pair of jeans that had the pork chop style pockets, and I think she was pleasantly surprised by these jeans. It's not something that she has worn before, and she really liked it. Next is by Tractr, the Verna Pull-On Ponte legging in black, and these are $26, and so these are a nice legging too. They're also a very thick material. I may see if I can size up in these, if I can get that exchange, but if not, we can keep these. It's no big deal, but those were cute. The next item on the list is by Chill Collective, the Jocelyn Notch Detail Waffle top in tan, and it is $22, and that was this top right here. She really liked the little notch detail. She liked the waffle texture. It's really soft, and so she really liked this top a lot. Then we have the other pair of jeans. These are the Paperbag Distressed Relaxed Jean by Wallflower, and the cost of these are $24 again, and so I think she was again pleasantly surprised. She really liked the little paper bag top. She liked the little button detail. They are faux buttons, but they're cute. And then the last item was by RUMI and RYDER, the legging friendly Henley Peplum top in white, and it's kind of like a cream or an off-white, and it is $20. And she liked how this one came longer in the back, and it paired well with those little leggings that she tried it on with, so that's cute. All right, so the overall cost of the box, the stylist pick subtotal was $286. If you buy all in the box, then you get a 25% discount, which would take off $71.50. That leaves me with an order subtotal of $214.50. We do get to take off the $20 styling fee, and so that's going to leave us with an order total of $194.50, which I don't think that is bad for 10 items for an almost teenage girl. And until next time, bye guys.